Hey guys, welcome to my channel and a very happy Diwali to all of you. Today's look is a festive look, so without further say, let's get into the look. First of all, I'm going to take a spoolie and just going to comb my brows. Once I'm done with combing my brows, I'm going to take a gel eyeliner. I have these two, one is in dark brown and one is in light. You can take any which matches the original color of your brows, and taking an angle brush, I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows. In case you're wondering why I have this mirror in front of me, the reason is that it makes it way more easier for me to do my makeup and all when I have some mirror in front of me and I'm looking straight into it. That's always a good thing to have a mirror in front of you while you're doing your brows, your eyeshadow, or any detailing work. Again, taking the spoolie, I'm going to just brush it once more, and then taking concealer, I'm going to create a base for my eyeshadow. You can also use eyeshadow primer or just a concealer. Because I have hyperpigmentation, I'm using a concealer that is a shade lighter than my actual complexion. Then taking a beauty sponge, I'm going to blend everything up. Today for my eyeshadow, I'm using the Glass Sheen palette, and in this I'm going to go with a brown shade just above my crease and in my crease line, and I'm going to blend it with the help of a fluffy brush. I'll keep on going back and forth with the same shade, and after that take a shade darker in my outer V and just form a nice shape in my outer V. You can elongate it or round it, whatever you like. I like a little elongated V shape, so that's what I'm trying to do. Just placing the shadow, I'm going to buff it until I am satisfied with the placement of the colors. Now using a concealer, I am going to clean my lid space, and after that place glitter on my lids. Coming to my face, first of all I'm going to prime my face, and after that use concealer on it. I'm going to put the concealer under my eyes, on my nose, at the sides of my face, on my chin, at the sides of my cheeks, my forehead, and all the places that I want to highlight. Using a beauty blender, I'm going to blend everything up. Next, I'm going to go to my foundation. The foundation I'm using is Maybelline. This is a matte foundation, and to be honest guys, this is damn matte. someone like me who's having an oily skin, for me also this is like the mattest matte foundation, but the coverage of this foundation is awesome. I personally love Superstay. It really stays the longest on my face, and then using a beauty blender I am just blending the whole foundation on my face. Using these two shades from the palette, I'm going to just little warm up my skin, a little bronzing situation. You can also contour your skin if you want to, but I'm using just these two shades as a bronzer. Now I'm going to use the baking powder. The one I'm using is from Lakme. I'm going to bake my face, all the areas that I've concealed specifically and the areas that I want to highlight. After that, I'm going to dust away the excess powder with the help of a big powder brush. I'm going to tightline my waterline with the help of a kajal. This one is from L18. Use my Maybelline Colossal Eyeliner to form a nice big fat wing. Also using my favorite Maybelline mascara, I am going to coat my lashes and then after that curl my lashes with the help of a lash curler. Just going to put on some pink blush on my cheeks and a little bit on my nose for bringing some light to my face. And then using this red lipstick from Westside, the Studio West, I'm going to put it on my lips just to conclude this look. Next, I'm going to highlight the bridge of my nose, my cheeks, my forehead and my chin, all the areas that I want to highlight. And after that, I'm going to put my bindi on and then just put down my hair, wear my jhumkas, my nose ring, my suit, everything just to conclude this look, make it more like festive, and I'm done, guys. I personally love this look. This is like so simple yet beautiful, and like having that whole festive vibe, that Diwali lightning pataka vibe to be concluded. And to be honest, I really love creating such looks. Like festive looks are like one of the best and my favorite ones. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, hit the thumbs up, share it with your makeup squad and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. And yes guys, once again a very happy Diwali to all of you. Stay blessed, enjoy this festival, and spend time with your loved ones. Mwah. Bye guys.